चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Alright, and we get a big lead in connection to the Pune murder investigation. Bombay High Court has reserved the order on the habeas corpus petition filed by the minor seeking release. The order will now be passed on the 25th of June, that is 4 days from now. So far, trouble continues for the minor in the Pune murder investigation. The minor who had taken lives of 2 techies after he was drunk and he was driving that Porsche in Pune, where a massive cover-up was attempted. Let me cut across to Sandeep, who is joining us live to give us more details of what happened in the Bombay High Court in this case today. Sandeep, do take us through the details of what was said in the court as the court decided to reserve the order until the 25th of June.
See, as far as this case is concerned, remember, the lawyer had, in fact, the family members of the juvenile accused in this matter had filed an application, habeas corpus application in the Bombay High Court, demanding for immediate release and citing the fact that he is in the remand of Juvenile Justice Board and under the children room. In fact, illegally. In fact, it was cited that the arrest was also illegal, and as the bail was not, given, that was also illegal. Now, in the same sequence, Abad Pondat, the lawyer, argued with the fact that under relevant sections of Juvenile Justice Act, he was supposed to give bail, but ultimately another, remand was taken by the Pune police. Now, as far as the prosecution is concerned, the prosecution argued with the fact that considering his, psychological status right now, he is into trauma and ultimately he needs specific guidance or he needs specific acknowledgement of the psychiatrist under the Juvenile Justice Board provision. So ultimately the court also pulled up the Pune police over this very remand, as in the second remand when his bail was objected. Remember, it was said that he could hamper, the case and he could temper the evidences as well. Now, court also goes on to acknowledge the fact that there was also blood sample manipulation done. There was also, tempering being done into this very case. But ultimately, after all the hearing, the court, in fact, reserved the order and will, in fact, now give the order in this habeas corpus application on 25th of June, that is on Tuesday.